Welcome to Vridivej Finance. Unexpectedly, we have not provide IPO detail on time for Nephrocare Healthcare Service Limited. So right now we are giving the GMP predictions for Nephrocare Health Service Limited. So what is the favorite part of everyone is about the medical sector or hospital sector or healthcare sector. All three are the same, the word, same sector. And what is your point of view? Speak about Indian hospitals, stocks. IPO issue detail of Nephrocare Health Services. Issue has opened up already on the 10th December. It will be closed on 12th December 2025. And this symbol will be Nephroplus, where the book IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 100% book building issue price range between 438 to 460 per equity share. And this is the book running lead managers are ICICI Security Ambit Private Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, Namura Financial Advisory and Security Private Limited, where sponsored bank ICICI Bank Limited and Axis Bank Limited. It's all about the IPO detail. So Vridivej Finance has extracted this IPO subscription detailed report where the qualified institutional buyers subscribe this IPO Nephrocare Healthcare Services. 27.47 number of total mint for the category. Non-institutional investors show interest in this IPO. 24.27 number of total mint for the category. Retail individual investors show interest in this IPO. 2.31 number of total mint for the category. Employee has shown interest in this IPO. 2.67 number of total mint for the category. Overall, this IPO has got subscribed around 13.96 number of total mint for the category, I guess, or 18. You can check from your end. So GMP prediction for Nephrocare Healthcare Service Limited by Vridivej Finance, guys. Suppose this IPO give it to you listing gain, but it will not give it to you listing gain. It will give it to fixed price issue on the day of opening, or it will give it to you discount offer on the day of listing. It will open up 450 if it is a discount, and suppose this company will give you listing gain, it can open up 475 rupees plus, okay, per stock. So let us see what, because see, look, 470 we will not say. Frankly speaking, 500 will be the first target, but 475 we have given minimum, okay. So zero target is 475 because we are giving overvalue target of GMP predictions, and it doesn't happen in this last three IPOs like Misho IPO, Vidya Buyers IPO, and Aqueous Limited. Aqueous probably will give it to you all the target which we have mentioned, but that is 3 months down the line at least, okay, because we don't understand their marketing strategy. Thank you by Vridivej Finance. And medical sector never get the downfall. Nephro care health services is having literally big chunk into the market. So 500 will be the first target, 550 will be the second target, but this IPO will give it to you listing in. It will not give it to you discount offer probably. If it is given discount offer, it can fall upon 420 the first target.